Yeah. So welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. So this is the AI bot that is doing wonders in the arbitrage space. This AI bot helps you do your trade for you, and all you have to do is what? Just cash out. So it's any amount that you can like start, or your capital and you have to know that the higher the capital, the higher the profit. That's what we do, or the language that we speak in crypto arbitrage. So if I come to my arbitrage here, if I click on it, so you can start arbitrage and it will start doing for you. So if you are trading with $100 accounts and you have gold and mega boost, if you click on the calculator, that means you'll be earning $2 profit per any trade, and the bots trade twice a day. So it means that on your $100 account you'll be earning $4. You'll be earning $4, every day. You'll be earning $4 after the bots do your money. You'll be getting $4 every day. So if you're doing with $1,000, you'll be earning $20 per trade, and twice trade is what? $40. So let me go to my wallet to show you something. At the moment you will deposit a money, the money will be in your regular account, and the moment you click on start arbitrage, the money will transfer from here to be in your arbitrage accounts. So it means that that's the money that you'll be using it towards do your arbitrage. And if you want to transfer the money from arbitrage USDT to the regular USD, you have to click on what? Transfer here. So in this case, you can transfer money from regular account to triangular account, or arbitrage account to what? Regular account. You see that thing? So you just click on the amount here and you do your transaction and stuff. So if you also want to deposit into the boat and start your trading, you'll click on deposit here. And you click on your chain here and copy your chain, and you do your deposit. And if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw here and you withdraw your money. So the first withdrawal is free, and the rest of the withdrawal is $1. So any amount that you withdraw, you will be paying $1 as your fee. So when this one is my demonstration account that I use it to demonstrate for you to see. So I've deposited $10 inside to just show you how to do it. So if I come to my arbitrage here, I'll just have to click on start arbitration, and it will start doing the trading for me. So you just have to watch it how it is done. So it takes just like 3 to 5 minutes to finish everything. So it's runner is initiating, so it's doing initialization. That's initializing. So after that, it will go forward, and you see how it is, and you see the coin that is trading over here. So right now it's preheating. So it's still searching for the coin to trade. So when you're trading and when you want to transfer your money, you can withdraw your money anytime you want. And the boat plus me calling you to mentor you on the boats is $50. So when you're chatting me, you have to know that it's $50 for the boat setup and how to use it. I'll teach you everything how to use it. And it's $50. So it's now preheating. Preheating takes 3 minutes to finish the preheating. And one thing is, you can cut the screen to attend to anything that you want, and it can resume and it's done. Yeah, it's not forced to watch your screen like this. Now you can cut the screen and attend to anything that you are doing, and it will still be continuing to do it. Yeah. It's very easy. It's very easy to use it, and it's very cool. And for people who are busy type that they don't want to, they don't have the time to do the arbitrage. Yeah. So this bot will just trade for you. Just put your capital and you start trading, and when you're done you can withdraw your money anytime you want. Yeah. So it's still preheating takes 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah. So when you see that, when it reaches to arbitrage, you will see the coin that is trading over here, detail records, you see everything over here. Yeah. Just simple like that. Like that. Yeah. Like that. So this one, you don't need any skill, anything. All you need is what? Just know how to command the boat, and you're ready to go. If you know how to command the boat, you are ready to go. And the bot always make sure that you are in profit. Yeah, that is why it takes time to search for the available opportunity to like in order to make you profit. Yeah. So they both take a share and it give you your share, and that's your share is that's what I explained earlier on. Yeah. So you can see that right now it's what arbitraging, and this one take up 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So that's what I'm saying, that if you don't have time, you can just cut it and do your own stuff. Yeah. When you be back on it, you will see that it have done everything for you. Yeah. So if you want the bots, just shout me and I'll give you the bots, and I'll call you on a video call personal and teach you how to use it. I'm Crypto Lord.